In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Color Picker in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to match colors in your design so everything looks consistent and professional, without guessing hex codes or eyeballing shades. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once you're inside your design, look for the specific element you want to recolor. This could be a shape, an icon, a line, or even text that supports color changes. Click that element to select it. When it's selected, you'll see its editing options appear in the top toolbar. Click the color tile for that element to open the color menu. This is where Canva shows you your current color, plus suggestions and any colors already used in your document. In the color menu, find the section labeled Document Colors. Right there, you'll see a small plus sign. Click that plus sign to add a new color. A color picker window will appear, and inside that window, you'll notice an eyedropper icon. Click the eyedropper to activate it. Now move your cursor over your design. You'll see a magnified preview as you hover over different areas of your presentation. Position the eyedropper over the exact color you want to sample from within your design, then click once. Canva will instantly apply that sampled color to the element you selected. It also saves that color to your document colors, so you can reuse it elsewhere in just a click. If you want precision, zoom in on your canvas before sampling so the eyedropper grabs the exact pixel you need. This is especially helpful when pulling a color from a photograph, a logo, or a gradient. If you don't see the color options when you select an element, it likely means that element isn't color editable, so try another object like a shape or text layer. And if your toolbar looks different, make sure you've actually clicked the element first. The color tile only appears for selected items. You can repeat this process for additional elements to build a consistent palette across your slides. Use the same sampled color on headings, icons, and accents to tie everything together. If you change your mind, just open the color menu again and choose another color or run the eyedropper one more time. That's all there is to it. Select your element, open its color options, click the plus sign under Document Colors, pick the eyedropper, hover to the color you want, and click to apply. With this simple workflow, matching colors in Canva becomes quick, accurate, and pleasantly seamless.